Maintaining optimal brain health is crucial for cognitive function, memory, and overall well-being. One of the key factors in preserving brain health is ensuring proper blood circulation. Adequate blood flow to the brain supplies it with the necessary oxygen and nutrients, enhancing cognitive abilities and preventing neurological disorders. Incorporating specific foods into your diet can significantly improve cerebral blood circulation. Here are 6 of the best foods to boost blood circulation in the brain. 1. Blueberries. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants, particularly flavonoids, which are known to improve cognitive function and protect the brain from oxidative stress. These tiny berries can enhance brain blood flow by dilating blood vessels and reducing inflammation. Regular consumption of blueberries has been linked to improved memory and a lower risk of age-related cognitive decline. 2. Fatty fish. Fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are high in omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats are crucial for maintaining the integrity of brain cell membranes and promoting efficient blood flow. Omega-3s also have anti-inflammatory properties that can protect against neurodegenerative diseases. Including fatty fish in your diet can improve brain function and reduce the risk of stroke. 3. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate, particularly those with high cocoa content, 70% or more, is a delicious way to boost brain health. Cocoa contains flavonoids that enhance blood flow to the brain by promoting the production of nitric oxide, which helps relax blood vessels. Additionally, the antioxidants in dark chocolate can protect brain cells from damage and improve cognitive function. 4. Beets. Beets are a powerhouse of nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide helps relax and dilate blood vessels, improving blood flow and oxygen delivery to the brain. Consuming beets or beet juice has been shown to enhance brain function and improve cognitive performance, particularly in older adults. 5. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin can cross the blood-brain barrier and promote brain health by reducing inflammation, enhancing blood flow, and stimulating the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, which supports the growth of new neurons. Adding turmeric to your diet can improve memory and protect against cognitive decline. 6. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support brain health. They contain high levels of nitrates, which help improve blood flow by dilating blood vessels. Additionally, leafy greens are a good source of vitamin K, folate, and lutein, which are associated with better cognitive function and a lower risk of dementia. Incorporating these 6 foods into your diet can significantly enhance blood circulation to the brain, improving cognitive function, and reducing the risk of neurological disorders. Blueberries, fatty fish, dark chocolate, beets, turmeric, and leafy greens not only promote better blood flow, but also provide essential nutrients and antioxidants that support overall brain health. By making these foods a regular part of your diet, you can ensure that your brain remains healthy and functioning at its best throughout your life.